Guys, ayun na naman, ito na naman tayo. Gagawa na naman tayo ng isa na namang makeup video. So, itong makeup video na to guys, gagawa tayo ng smoky eyes guys. So, para sa mga katulad kong maliliit ang mga mata, gagawa tayo ng smoky eyes. At we'll see how it looks like sa ating mga mata. Ayan guys. So first, we need to prep our skin para hindi isumpa ang ating mga pagmumukha. So, ayan na guys, nakapag-foundation na ako. Ayan, so next would be the concealer na lang. And I'll be right back, okay? See you later!
3 hours later.
Ayan na guys, so nakapag-concealer na tayo, diba? So, ang gagawin ko na lang guys, ayan, so gagawa ako ng, magpupuntur tayo ng konti. Ayan, so meron akong dark concealer here. Ayan, so pupuntur lang tayo. This is how I contour. I'm using a very warm concealer guys. Yan. Tapos mag-drawing lang tayo. Ganyan guys. Yan, kung saan gusto mong merong shadow. Ayan guys, kasi wala akong cheekbone. Hindi prominent ang aking cheekbone. So, I am giving a dimension guys. Gagawa tayo ng fake shadow sa ating mga mukha. Lalong-lalo na dito guys, if you wanna lift up your cheekbone. Ayan, kasi wala akong ganyan guys. Ayan. Gusto ko kasi siya yung talagang yung cheekbone ko is ganoon. Ganyan. Kailangan ganun guys. Umangat ba? Then, blend lang tayo ng blend. I'll be using this to blend that. Whatever guys. Then, ang technique ko dyan guys, lalagay ako ng concealer ulit para i-highlight ang ating nose line. Tapos, ganyan siya. And I'll be using my finger to blend that out. Ganyan. So, using my finger, yung ring finger ko, guganyan ko lang siya. I'll be doing my eyebrows and I'll be back. 1, 2, 3. Ayan guys, ayan. So, may kilay na tayo. Ano ba yun? Pero, feeling ko ano ba yung kilay na ginawa ko? Parang parang anghel yung ganun. Gigigiyumi. Hindi sumasang-ayon ang ating kilay ngayon guys. Yung kilay na maawain, gano'n. Yung ganun guys. Ayan. Pero sana bumagay ang kilay na ito sa smoky eyes na gagawin natin. Ayan. Nakalimutan kong i-bake or i-set yung aking concealer guys. So gagawin ko yan habang ginagawa natin ang eyeshadow. eyeshadow, guys. Ayan, diba? Tama lang ba yung kilay ko? Parang hindi siya sumasang-ayon ngayon. Parang maawain tayo, parang anghel, ganun. Ayan, guys. So, let's do the baking first. Ayan. Ayan, so we will be using a kohl eyeliner. Meron ba akong kohl eyeliner dito? Gagawa lang tayo ng itim dyan. So, black yan, guys. Don't worry about if it's messy. Okay lang yan. Ganyan. Dahil i-blend din natin yan after. I-blend din natin yan mamaya. Diba? Ang taray ni Madam Regine. Ganyan. And now, we will blend it, guys. So, using a blending brush, and then blend that harsh. Sige lang, i-blend lang ng i-blend. Now, using a black eyeshadow, guys. Let's use a black eyeshadow to go. And guys, we're gonna be using this and this together. Yan. And then we will need a very light shade, which is like parang siyang reddish, a very warm, like warm color. I'm using a clean brush, guys. I-clean up lang natin siya. Siyang mga harsh line, guys. Ayan. Clean up. Let's clean up that. Mga yan. Mga nahulog sa baba. We will clean it up with using this one. Yeah. And then blend it using a concealer brush. And then now we will need the black, a very dark shade. stamp to this eyeliner. Hindi mawawala ang eyeliner, guys. Diba? In your tight line, always do your tight line with this type of look, kasi pag gumanyang ka, di ba, puting-puti. So always do your tight line. Ayan. Now I'll be using this one on this in the middle of that dito, guys. So use this and spray it. Oh, here. I'll be using this one to highlight it. Ayan. For the blush, we will be using a coral. Siyang peachy. This one and this one. Very light lang siya, guys. And we will do some highlights using this one, ivory. Okay. And for the lipstick, guys, we will be using a very nude. Ganon. Nude. But with the hint of red. So, red muna siya. No. Ganyan. Nude lang siya dapat. Kasi over na yung iyong eyes. So, kailangan nude ang ating lipstick. Ayan. Diba, guys? I need a look type of lipstick, guys. Okay, moving on. Pop in some eyelash and then you're all set. So we're gonna do some eyelash. I'll be using 720 from Easy. Ano po, pumasok sa mata ko yung glue. Diba? Ayan, guys, ang ating makeup transformation. Makeup transformation. Ayan guys, hope you guys liked the video. If you guys want to see more video like this, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you guys are updated to my videos. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.